Have you ever wondered what it truly means to live a blessed life? Is it about having more, achieving more, or is there something deeper that brings real blessings and meaning to your life? We often chase happiness in our achievements, in the things we own, and in the milestones we reach. But Islam teaches us a powerful secret. True blessings come from generosity, from giving to others selflessly. Generosity isn't just about giving money. It's about offering your time, your energy, your compassion, and your kindness to those around you. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, is like planting a seed in the garden of your heart. And with each good deed, that garden grows into a field of blessings, filling your life with beauty and purpose. Allah loves those who are generous, who give with sincerity and expect nothing in return. And He promises rewards beyond our imagination, both in this world and the next. True richness comes not from what you take, but from what you give and share with others. When you open your heart and share, you gain happiness, blessings, and the love of Allah, creating a ripple effect of goodness. Generosity shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance, reminding you that there is always enough to give. It teaches you to trust that Allah will always provide for you no matter your circumstances. You don't need to be wealthy or powerful to make a difference. Generosity is for everyone, every day, in every moment. It's a journey of faith, compassion, and hope, a privilege that brings light, warmth, and true contentment into your life. Let's explore together how the simple act of giving can unlock countless blessings for you, your loved ones, and your entire community. Meet Aisha, a dedicated and hard-working student who balances her studies and a part-time job. Her days are filled with assignments, deadlines, and responsibilities, leaving her little time to rest. Yet, she always tries to keep a positive attitude and stay true to her values. One rainy afternoon, as Aisha hurried home after a long day, she noticed an elderly woman struggling with heavy grocery bags in the pouring rain. People passed by, too busy or indifferent to stop and help, leaving the woman alone and overwhelmed on the busy city street. Although Aisha was exhausted and eager to get home, she remembered the teachings of her faith about compassion and kindness. Inspired by these values, she approached the woman and offered her assistance with a warm smile. As they walked together, Aisha carried the bags and listened to the woman's stories about her family and life. The elderly woman was deeply grateful, and before they parted, she offered a heartfelt prayer for Aisha's happiness and success. The very next day, to Aisha's amazement, she received news that she had been awarded a scholarship she desperately needed. It was a blessing she hadn't expected, arriving at the perfect time. Reflecting on what had happened, Aisha realized that her small act of kindness had come back to her in a wonderful and unexpected way. She felt a deep sense of gratitude and awe. She understood that this was not just a coincidence, but a sign of Allah's promise in action, rewarding those who do good for His sake. When you help others sincerely for Allah's sake, He helps you in ways you could never have imagined, often when you need it most. Easing someone's burden, even in small ways, brings unexpected ease and blessings into your own life. Every generous act is like planting a seed, one that grows into future blessings and opportunities sometimes when you least expect it. Remember, every good deed, no matter how small or simple, is seen and rewarded by Allah, who knows what's in our hearts. That's the beautiful reality of living with faith and generosity. Your kindness can change lives, including your own. Generosity in Islam is much more than giving money. It's a way of life, open to everyone, every day. Giving your time, helping with chores, listening to a friend, visiting the sick is generosity. Sharing your skills, like tutoring a classmate or helping a neighbor, is also generosity. Even a warm smile or a kind word counts. Your abilities are gifts from Allah. Using them to help others is the best way to thank Him. Generosity is about valuing people over possessions. Small acts, good manners, patience, removing harm from a path are all significant in Allah's eyes. These actions build bridges, spread kindness, and make the world better. True generosity reflects a beautiful heart. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the ultimate example of generosity. He taught that every act of kindness is charity, not just money, but every good deed. This means anyone can earn reward no matter their circumstances. Holding a door, saying thank you, helping with homework, or sharing lunch, all are acts of charity. Even a simple smile is charity. It costs nothing but can lift someone's spirits. Islam turns everyday kindness into worship. The Prophet encouraged us to look for opportunities to be kind in daily life. Our faith is lived through character and actions, not just rituals. Every good deed is valued by Allah. We all have the power to make a positive impact, one kind act at a time. When you give, you're the first to benefit. Allah fills your life with barakah, divine blessings that make what you have more than enough. Generosity spreads happiness, creating a ripple effect of kindness in your community. It brings you closer to Allah, showing your trust in Him as the ultimate provider. The angels pray for those who give, asking Allah to bless them. Generosity also shapes your character, teaching patience, empathy, and humility. It helps you see and care for others' struggles, softening your heart. Giving fights selfishness and greed, making you a better person. These blessings are real and tangible, felt in your daily life. Generosity is a training ground for your soul. The more you give, the more you grow. Wondering how to practice generosity as a teen. You might think it's all about giving money or making big sacrifices, but generosity is actually woven into the small moments of your daily life. It's easier than you think. Generosity starts with your attitude and your willingness to make a positive impact, no matter how small. Start at home, help with chores, be patient with siblings, and share your things. Even offering to help without being asked shows a generous spirit. These small acts strengthen family bonds and are beloved by Allah. At school, help classmates with homework, form study groups, stand up for others, and offer sincere compliments. You can even brighten someone's day just by including them in a conversation or group activity. Listening to a friend in need is a powerful act of generosity. Sometimes just being there for someone and showing you care can mean the world. In your community, smile at people, hold doors, offer your seat, or pick up litter. These simple gestures create a ripple effect of kindness and make your environment warmer for everyone. Volunteer for causes you care about. Even an hour a week makes a difference. Don't forget digital generosity. Share positive content, leave kind comments, and avoid negativity online. Your words can uplift others and inspire more kindness. Use your online presence to spread good and support worthy causes. You can raise awareness, encourage friends, or even fundraise for charity, all from your device. Every small action counts and can transform your day into a source of reward. You never know how much your kindness might mean to someone else. Generosity isn't about grand gestures, it's about consistent, thoughtful acts. When you make kindness a habit, it becomes part of who you are. Make it a habit to look for ways to help every day. Opportunities to be generous are all around you if you pay attention. Your kindness can reach far and wide, both offline and online. The impact of your actions can travel further than you imagine. The rewards for these actions are immense, both in this world and the next. Generosity brings peace to your heart and blessings to your life. Start small, but start today. Remember, every act of generosity, no matter how tiny, helps build a better world for everyone. We've seen that generosity is more than giving money. It's sharing time, skills, and kindness. The blessings you give out come back to you in ways you can't imagine. The real change happens when you act, not just when you feel inspired. So here's a challenge. Do one intentional act of generosity today. It could be making tea for your parents, checking on a friend, or making a quiet prayer for someone. Notice the peace and contentment that follows. Each act plants a seed for future blessings. Build the habit, one small action at a time, and watch your life fill with light and purpose. Take that first step. Start your journey to a blessed life now.